Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner. The second kind of line with the options is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options from which we can choose. We've got the off option, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So basically, in order to set the timer, you have to tap on the option like to use. I will pick 10 seconds. As you can see, it is highlighted. Now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. So this is it. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on this kind of clock icon. It will be highlighted in this light grayish color, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.